John Prine. Sadly died the other day. Great songwriter, three-chord master. Beautiful images, beautiful story. Americana turned me on right from the start. Peter Haynes and I sang Paradise as our very first song in public. Here's a beautiful song by John. You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a worried and jealous mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean, dreadful sorrow. It's crossed the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Great song. It's not a sad song, it's just a song about make sure you keep your shit together and talk to your partner. Love them more than ever. Good time for it.